So my name's Tricia Malowney, and I'm a woman with a disability. I contracted polio when I was 4 months old, so I've always had a disability, but I've never been disabled because I've always been able to access everything I've wanted to access. It came as a big shock to me when I was in my 30s, I suppose, and I was working for police, and they asked me would I be their disability liaison officer. And I said, I don't know anything about that. And they said, but you've got one, so you must know. Up until that time, I had been working for gender equality because I wasn't able to access the same promotional rights as men back in those days. So now I started working in disability, and I found out that people with disabilities, in particular women with disabilities, don't have the same rights that I've always taken for granted. So this is why I do what I do. I work in the family violence sector, supporting women with disabilities to leave violence, because there is very few people doing that. I also work for the for the Urgent Action Fund for Women, Asia Pacific, to support women to leave war. So while we all long for world peace, we know it's not here yet. So I want to support all women to be able to live free from violence, all forms of violence. And I do what I do because I love it, because I am impacting on the lives of other women. Wasn't what I was planning to do. I'm well past retirement age, but I'll keep doing it for as long as I can. Thank you. I hope you come. I was just going to say, I hope you can come and join us to listen to what other women have to say on this very important issue of leadership resilience.
Thank you so much, Trish. Would you like to talk a little bit about what you're going to present on the day?
Yeah, so on the day, I'll be talking about how I've managed to become resilient, how I've managed to keep working, and how I've managed to bring other women along with me so that we all share the benefits of a free and equal life.
I think it's great. Is there any other message that you'd like to convey?
I suppose it'd be really good if other women supported women with disabilities. Too often we're seen as the burden on societies. We needed to be accepted as equal to other women, and we need you as our allies in independence and being able to live freely alongside all of you, free from violence.
I'm looking forward to meet you in person. Thanks a lot for your time.